Today, I would like to teach you how to find a missing factor if you know one of the factors of your polynomial function and the graph. So what it tells us is that we have a third degree polynomial graph. So this graph I know represents a third degree polynomial. And the given factor is going to be a second degree polynomial. That must mean that I'm missing a first degree polynomial, root, right? Or first degree polynomial, I shouldn't say root, a factor, right? The reason why I know that is because if it's overall third degree and this is a second degree, well, there's only one degree that's missing, right? So that's going to look something like this, right? When you write out your factor, you're going to have some x term being plus or minus by some constant number. Now the thing is, I know that the location now where this function crosses that x-axis will give me the value of my missing term here. And the reason why I know that is because I know that when I look at this function, this factor, the roots of it are going to be imaginary. There's no numbers that are going to multiply, no real numbers. They're going to multiply to positive 1, but yet add to positive 1 as well. Think about that. You can't do it. Not with real numbers, at least. And therefore, I know that if this graph now crosses this location, that root, meaning that root of x equaling 5, must be coming from my other factor. Okay? So since you know that this root is coming from that missing factor, what you want to do is turn the root into a factor, and you simply do that by subtracting 5 from both sides. And the reason why you're doing that is because you have to set this equal to 0, and then you might begin to see the factor down there. Thus, the factor that's missing is going to be x minus 5. Simply put, you can look at this where it crosses the x-axis. It's a 5, therefore just make it a negative 5, and bada bing, you're done. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. Check out our channel, by the way, because we got thousands of videos out there, not only in math, but physics and chemistry as well. We have a lot more coming. We want to help you through your class. We want to take the stress out of your life. Check us out. I think you'll be happy.